Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SpinetiX IBX series player and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this player not responding, or if it doesn't seem to be connecting or syncing properly and things like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you've already power cycled it and it didn't fix the problem. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason that you might want to do this, is if you just want to get a fresh start and set this device up as something new, we can go ahead and do this quite simply. You're going to need a keyboard, and you're going to basically connect a keyboard to one of the player's USB ports. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and reboot the device. And while it's powering up, you're going to press F7 to enter the boot menu at the system startup. So if the BIOS access on your IBX player has been secured, then you're going to need the BIOS administrative password at this point to proceed. And then from there you can select SpinetiX DSOS menu option. It's the one without the redundant boot. And from there you can select Reset to Factory Defaults option. And then it's going to ask you to press the Y key and then the Enter key to confirm. So once that happens, the device will reboot and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.